we did a new project and existing project. Let's see the complex project. After that, we'll conclude with the tips.
Oh, okay. Sure.
So that may take another 10 minutes. Okay, not 10 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. Okay. So I'm going to create a new project.
So we are going to give something very complex to Claude now.
This will have authentication and integration to Firebase, etc. Okay, so now
complete full stack.
Complete full stack. Yeah. So by this time, you know how to start Claude, right? And this is again an empty project. It's a fresh project.
Okay, so you're not using the existing project that we have. You're creating a new one, is it? Okay.
Yeah. And I'm using the prompt which I already created, right? Here I'm calling it out. Do a sign in with Google and Firebase authentication for authentication. And you have a dashboard page to show the user profile. And use TypeScript, giving some guidance, Tailwind CSS for styling, login page, sign up page, environment variables, etc., and README instructions. So now it may take maximum 3 minutes or 5 minutes, not more than that.
Got it.
Yeah, so now it picked up Next.js 14 application with Firebase authentication, protected routes, and all the features are required. So now it is planning. Okay. And yeah, so I'll give full permission again.
You've given yes for the entire session.
Correct. So that it doesn't ask permission for each step, so that we can complete quickly. Okay, but if you want to see what he's doing, start with step-by-step approval, and once you get the trust, then you can change. Sometimes you should not give complete approval. You need to control. So I normally give an analogy. If you drive a car, so you need to go to gear 1, sometimes gear 2, sometimes gear 3, gear 4, gear 5. So you need to decide when to go and when to put a brake. If there is a red signal, you need to stop also. So you need to think similar to that analogy and then go at different speeds of development. You can generate 1,000 lines of code in an hour, or you can generate 100 lines in few minutes. It depends on what you want to do, how fast you want to go. You can need to mix and match the speed.
Yeah, completely makes sense.
Now I want to go higher speed, so that's why I given full control to that. So it will go faster. And here you can see how many minutes it's working continuously and how much token it is sent. And if you want to see what is thinking, you can do Control T. Control T is a toggle. Okay, now you can read here, right? Control T shows to do. Okay, Control T, if you see, so these are the to-do list internally. It's like your Epic split into stories. Okay, first thing right now it's working on initializing Next.js with TypeScript and Tailwind. After that, it will install Firebase. Or you can imagine like a story you split into task, right? So whatever way, Epic to story or story to task. So it has these many tasks. It will do one by one. That
so
you can
it's
do
like
control.
its own to-do list.
Yeah,
it's going one by one.
Yeah, it's own to-do list. So Control T, you can see what it is the to-do list that is working on, and Control O, you can see what it is thinking.
Oh.
Okay. So Control O, if you see it, yeah, I don't know, some video it is doing something. Okay, so you can do Control O and then see what PA is thinking, how it is doing the React model, reasoning and act. And Control T, you can check what are the to-do list it's working. It is like a team. Now I told multiple skill.
Yeah.
Right. Now you can imagine a team of members.
Yeah, complete role rationalization and the way they work, everything will change now going forward.
Correct.
going to be competitive. That is pretty sure.
Yeah. So now I have seen the task sometimes working 30 minutes at a stretch. Say Claude and Anthropic saying it can work maybe 5 hours continuously or 30 hours continuously based on your subscription and token packages, and then which model you choose, etc. So imagine it generates in few minutes API and UI, and if you allow it to run 8 hours continuously with proper input, it cannot. It can decide on its own. Look at what it will develop.
Yeah, amazing potential.